I must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. To whisper in your ear words that are old as time. Words only you would hear if only you were mine.